Hello guys, today I'm understood the most important topic, nutritive value of ice cream, calculation and labeling. Introductions. The energy of volume and the nutrition of ice cream depend upon the food value of the products. Ice cream containing 3 to 4 times of such as much fat, carbohydrates and the 12 to 16% of more protein than does milk is the additions. It's contain other food products such as fruits, nuts, eggs, candies and the sugar which enhance the nutritive value. दूसरा हम पढ़ेंगे कैलोरी content of the ice cream and related products. The amount of energy normally extend to be derived from the carbohydrates, fat and the protein is as carbohydrates present in 3.87 kilocalories, fat 8.79 kilocalories, protein 4.27 kilocalories, lactose 52% होता है. The percentage of carbohydrates including lactose, added sweetener and the sugar that we present in fruit and flavoring. The calorific value of 100 gram of vanilla ice cream containing 12.5% of fat, 11% of MSNF and 15% of sugar and the 0.3% of gelatin may be calculated. कार्बोहाइड्रेट प्रेजेंट होता है 8.19%. Then carbohydrate in ice cream. Lactose milk sugar is the disaccharide unique found only milk. Minerals in ice creams. Milk and its products including ice cream, it is the richest source of calcium, phosphorus and other minerals. The calcium and phosphorus content are 0.118 and the 0.093 and the 0.122 and 0.105 respectively in the milk and ice cream. Requirement of calcium in the individual gram per day. Children and adults के लिए 1.4%, adults के लिए 0.8%, प्रेग्नेंट मदर के लिए 1.5%, नर्सिंग मदर के लिए 2% is a very necessary. फैट कंटेंट 109.86%, प्रोटीन 14%, टोटल 204.14 kilocalories per 100 grams. Then protein content of ice cream. The milk protein contained in ice cream are of essential amino acid 5 to 6%. Milk protein are more complete than for other protein. Its journal. Ice cream has a high concentration of MSNF which is 34 to 36% milk protein. Milk fat content कितना होता है? Milk fat consist mainly is a triglyceride of the fatty acid. It's containing at least 60 fatty acid. It's also containing non-responsible fraction and the other matter such as the cholesterol, lecithin and the tocopherol. Most important thing पढ़ेंगे vitamins. Vitamin in ice cream. Ice cream is a rich source of many of the essential vitamins. Ice cream is a excellent source of the vitamins A and good source of vitamin B, B2, B6, B12 and the fairly good source of the niacin vitamins E. ये सब विटामिन्स हैं. विटामिन ए, बी, B1, B2, B6, B12, C, D, E, K एक्सेट्रा विटामिन्स मल्टीपल टाइप के विटामिन्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं. देन न्यूट्रिशनल लेबलिंग के बारे में हम पढ़ेंगे. The correct label of the food product is the paramount importance in the order to protect both the consumer and the manufacturer. In ice cream, a use by day induction of the included together the appropriate storage condition. Example के लिए keep atom temperature below before -18 degrees Celsius. The name of addresses of the manufacturer एंड द नेम ऑफ एड्रेसेस ऑफ द सेलर, दोनों बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं फॉर कंज्यूमर हेल्थ। द साइज ऑफ द पैक, आइदर द फ्लूइड ऑन्स द पिंट ऑफ द गैलन्स एंड द साइज ऑफ द एक्सेट्रा इज द स्पेसिफिक मेट्रिक वैल्यू में उसे हम पैक करके रखते हैं। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो।